Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night.
Hello guys, how are you all? Today I am going to show you how to make your video faster, slower, and also how to reverse your video. Watch till end to do it perfectly. So let's start. First you have to take a particular video that you want. Add it to the video track and extend the timeline. After that you have to split the video where you want to make it speed slower or add the reverse effect. Then right-click on the split edit area and go to speed and duration. Now increase the speed to a minimum possible and above 1.0 to make the video faster. I am increasing it to 8x. It's based on your choice. Now we can see that the splitted area is very smaller in size. Now it's 8x faster than usual, and next we can make the video slower. For this use the same process by right-clicking on the splitted area. Go to speed and duration. And reduce the speed below 1.0 to make the video slower. I have made this video to 0.1, which is very slower. Now we can watch that the video is very slower. Now I am going to make the video in the reverse motion. For this also you have to do the same method. Right-click on the splitted area, go to speed and duration. Now click on reverse speed to make the video reverse. Now you have make the video into normal speed, which is 1.0. Then press OK when the ask to create proxy file is necessary to have smooth playback. Now we can see that the PUBG character is playing the dance in the reverse motion. This is all about today's video. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow I will make video about the green screen effect. Please subscribe, comment, and keep tuned to become the part of the conversation. If you feel that familiar, I copied that dialogue from Daniel Battle. See ya.
You have a new notification.
Let me check it. Oh wow, it's a video from After Dark. Here's good guy. Please all support and subscribe him. Let's watch his video.
FBI, open up!